Hello and welcome back to the AGF channel. Today I have another video in our So Easy collection. Get holiday ready with these quick and easy Christmas ornaments featuring charming prints from Christmas in the City. Mix and match your fabrics to create these playful strip-pieced and reverse applique ornaments. Christmas has arrived in the city and Santa is here to spread merry and cheer, a fresh and youthful take on the most wonderful time of the year. Friends and family gather together to celebrate this joyous season with funky ice skates, freshly decorated trees, and of course, everyone's favorite Christmas cookies. For this project, we'll be using fat quarter bundles from Christmas in the City, Pure Solid Summering Edition, and Color Master Elements Dragonfruit Edition. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the AGF channel for more crafty sewing content. Here's what you'll need to get started. 4 strips at 1.5 inches by width of fabric. 3 strips at 1 inch by width of fabric. Backing fabrics cut from solids or blenders using the templates provided. A rotary cutter, scissors, ribbon, and stuffing. Templates for the project will be linked below in the description. We're going to use strip piecing to make our ornaments. You can use as many fabrics in the various bundles as you like to create them. Choose the color mix you prefer and have fun experimenting with color. To make the gingerbread and candy cane ornaments. Once you have completed your panel of 1.5 inch strips, lay them flat and place the template on top. Each template has a seam allowance of 1/4 inch provided. You can cut 2 at a time or mix and match your fronts and backs. After you've cut out your fabric, lay them right sides together and sandwich your ornament ribbon in between the layers with the ends showing from the outside. Sew around the perimeter, leaving a gap to turn right side out. Turn out and stuff the ornament lightly. Hand stitch your opening closed. For the star and circle ornaments, we'll be using reverse applique. Create your panel in the same way we did the other ornaments, using either 1 inch strips or a mix of 1.5 inch and 1 inch strips. Cut 1 template from the panel you made and cut 2 from a solid or blender fabric to coordinate. Place one of the solid layers on top of the strip-pieced panel and sew at about 1/2 inch around the entire perimeter. Use small scissors to cut out the inner section carefully to reveal the strip pattern. Now sew the reverse applique front to the remaining back, leaving an opening to turn out. Sew at 1/4 inch. Turn right side out and stuff the star. Sew the opening closed with an invisible stitch. And your ornaments are complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and until next time, happy sewing!